Welcome dear students for the accountancy class. I wish you good luck for your bright future since this is our first formal class in the subject accountancy. In my previous class relating to business studies, I told you that I shall be taking up business studies and accountancy right now. Okay, now regarding accountancy, same like business studies, theory will be of 80 marks and practical will be of 20 marks, correct? The content of accountancy is quite vast because this is the first class where you are going to get an idea about what accountancy is basically regarding. Okay, so we have almost 20 chapters which give you an idea of how business people are, especially the sole traders, are maintaining their books of account. So, introduction to accounting, basic accounting terms, Indian standard of accountings, international financial reporting standards, accounting equation, rules of debit and credit, vouchers, then journal, the original and prime book, ledger, the classification of accounts, correct, the summary of classification of accounts, then the trial balance, cash book, both the principal book and the subsidiary books, other subsidiary books like purchase book, sales book, etc., bank reconciliation statement, depreciation, provisions and reserves, reconciliation of errors, and preparation of financial statements. These are the topics that we are going to cover up in class 11th. So, all the best. Now, let us start with the first chapter, Introduction to Accounting. Okay. Now, before I make you understand the meaning of accountancy, you should know the meaning of accountancy, because accountancy includes not only accounting but also another aspect which is known as bookkeeping. Accountancy is concerned with the principles and technique. It's the knowledge of how the books of accounts are maintained. Okay, so polar defined, it refers to the entire body of theory and practice of accounting, correct? It tells us how to maintain books of account, how the accounts are maintained, what will be the rules of debit and credit. Your first time understanding all this concept. So in the beginning you will feel okay, what so difficult it is, but it's very easy. We are going to start from basics, and then by the end of the year you will know how a sole trader is preparing, maintaining and interpreting his or her financial statements, correct? Then how the accounts are maintained, how they are summarized, and then how they are communicated to various users, correct? So in class 11th, the accounting aspect is basically related to a sole trader, means single business party, correct? Now, accountancy includes both bookkeeping and accounting. What is bookkeeping? It is the art of recording business transactions in the books of original entry and ledger, correct? The person who maintains account or who does recording of transactions, financial transactions, correct, is known as bookkeeper. This is a simple function, and Lucas Piccioli, the Italian person, expert, was the first one to identify bookkeeping. Now what is accounting? Accounting includes bookkeeping. It starts where bookkeeping ends. Then bookkeeping is concerned basically with identification of financial transactions and events, recording them and measuring them. Accounting starts after the identified financial transactions are recorded in the journal and they are classified in various accounts. So it starts with summarizing. Summarizing includes preparation of trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Then it analyzes the data, draws out meaningful information and communicates the meaningful information to various users. So this is related to bookkeeping and accounting in this class. So bookkeeping is basic. Accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. So this was just an introductory class relating to the chapter Introduction to Accounting. Correct? Again, accountancy includes both bookkeeping and accounting. Accountancy is knowledge that refers to theory and practice of accounting. This is a practical aspect. Both these are practical aspect. This does not require many experts or specialists to record or maintain the books of account, but accounting requires the experts. Correct? So art of recording business transactions in the books of original entry and ledger is bookkeeping. This includes both bookkeeping and starts where bookkeeping ends. It summarizes, analyzes and communicates the financial information to various users. So in the next class we are going to continue. Till then, bye bye all.